Imagine being 13, working 12-hour days in a Pittsburgh factory, your hands blistered, your lungs choked with coal smoke. You want to escape. But how? That's where Andrew Carnegie stood in 1848. He just fled Scotland with his family, dirt poor, sleeping on the floor of his uncle's house. The American dream? It felt like a lie. Then one Saturday, Carnegie spotted something that changed everything. A small notice in the newspaper. Colonel Anderson was opening his personal library to working boys' free books every Saturday afternoon. Here's the catch. Carnegie worked 6 days a week. Saturday was his only half day off. He could rest, sleep, do nothing. Instead, he ran. Every single Saturday, Carnegie sprinted to Anderson's library, devouring books like oxygen. History, science, poetry. He taught himself everything school never gave him. When Anderson's collection ran out, Carnegie begged other wealthy men to open their libraries too. Years later, Carnegie built the largest steel empire in the world. But here's what he built first: 2,500 free public libraries across America. More than anyone in history. Because one man lent books to a tired factory boy. Because that boy chose learning over rest, week after week, when nobody forced him to. Carnegie always said Colonel Anderson gave him the keys to unlock his own future. But really? Carnegie grabbed those keys himself.